Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. Here is a vendor board. Actually, it's Latitude 3580. I think so. No, 3480. It's a motherboard. Part number is 16852-1. Here is the motherboard. Model number. See. Okay. The main issue is power or no display. See, in case of no power on, somehow we can manage. Once we rectify the power issues, definitely we will get the voltage, display. Somehow. But the thing is, the toughest job is power on no display. You know why? Actually, especially from the vendor or from the dealer side, what they will do, they will check all necessary things. What are the basic things, everything they will check, and finally they will send to professional level. Correct. So in that cases it's really tough. They won't give them more time also, and in hurry burry we have to return it without any solution. Correct. So in that condition, what we have to do and where exactly we need to check. See here, actually what dealer has what he told, it's a power on completely all voltages are available, almost all voltages except GT. So what is that, what voltages he was getting and what we will get? So step by step we will check. The thing is, LED is very important in Dell section. That's why I connected LED section, and a power button also I connected here. So for safer side, I connected all the connectors. Now we will check what he told and what exactly the issue. Now I am giving the power supply. See what will happen. Fan spinning. Okay, fan spinning. Air, light. Actually everyone knows the Dell light system. It's amber light and white light. If what will be the count and what will be the issues, everything you will get in the Google, right? See, now in this case, fan stops and start. He already done bias thrice. Okay, 3 times he done already. So in this case, just to observe the light, what it shows. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, it's a continuous. There is no stop at all. In this case, it's working or not. How to identify? So what I will do, I will turn it off. Just one press, power button. See, power button light also is there. So just I will press one time. It will shut down or not. Let us check. See, it's off. It means there is no issue in bias because it's operating properly. Okay, there is no issue in bias. See, now it's off. So again, if I press the power button, it will again turn it on. See, turn on. Again the same issue, fan spins continuously and there is no heat at all in processor. There is no heat. Okay, to identify this bias is working or not, what we will do, we will remove the RAM. For testing purpose I am telling you, we will remove the RAM and we will check what indication it will give. Okay, I will turn it off. I will remove the power supply. Now I will remove the RAM. What will be the indicator? I am checking bias is good or not. Okay, see, now I am going to connect again. You will also get this kind of issues. That's why I am showing you. See, now directly it's not turning on because I put the CMOS. Means it's working properly. One time on. See the indication. 2 amber light and 3 white light. What it indicates? It indicates there is no RAM. It means bias is accurate. There is no issue in bias. Then what will be the issue? Okay, we will put the RAM again and one more time we will check. Okay, check the light. I'll put the RAM. Actually it's a very new one. I'll put the RAM. Again I'm checking. See, turned on and off. All function it does. See, One time on, immediately it's turning on, but the light is continuous. See the light? There is no change at all. Okay, in this condition, what are the voltages we are getting? We'll check once. The multimeter. See, one by one, I'll check the coil voltages. Here, how many coils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, what are the coils? Blindly, I'll check one by one. So, ground part. This is the safest one. See, here one coil. It has 0.28. It may be battery voltage. Okay, battery coil. This one randomly I'm checking. This one 1.1, 1.0 volts, and here 5.0 volts, 5 volts. Okay, once light comes, 3 volts, 5 volts, pakka, it's working. 3 volts. See, and here 3 coils are there. Here actually it's a processor side. Okay, leave it, those things. Bias pin number 8. Usually they will check, right? For the voltage 3.3 volts bias. Pin number 3, sorry, pin number 8. And here one more coil is there. What is this? 1.2. RAM also good. If RAM is good, or SLP related voltages, SLP S5, S4, S0, S3, everything will be good. Okay, finally we come to this. What is that? SA, maybe it's a 0.8. I don't know exactly what is that SA or this one. Okay, SA, and here it will be core, and here it will be GT. Core. Okay, see the core also we are getting. I'll check in the schematic once again, and finally this will be the GT. GT is completely 0. If GT comes, definitely we will get the display. Correct. So now what will be the problem? What section we need to check? See, in this case, as per experts' results, the main function in this, the main problem will be with the CPU IC. That means core IC or maybe this driver IC. See, it has separate driver ICs for SA, core, and one more, what is that, GT. All driver IC will be separate. In that condition, this is good, and this may not good because it's not responding anything. Okay, here one IC is there. Here I will check any response. The main supply, see, 19.5 volts supply is coming here, and this one is working, right? So this one also I will check. 19.5 input supply is coming, and here on resistor and capacitor are there. 5.5 volts. It may be LDO or internal LX, something will cause, right? Those things. I'm not checking the schematic. Afterwards, I will check. I will confirm what are those I am checking. Here 0.2 volts, 0.1 volts. The same thing, same IC. By seeing the size, see the same IC is here and here also. But here we are getting voltage. See, 5 volts here. That's why we are getting the output 0.8, and here we are not getting anything. Means maybe this IC is not functioning, maybe, because if it is functioning, definitely the output result we will get in the, what is that? It's a resistor. Okay, so the main issue, it won't come with the bias. The main issue will come with the core IC or this one. See, in case of bias issues, definitely you will get the code in lights. But in case of continuous light, so definitely in this area you need to check. Okay, first I will check that ICs. First I will check, I will confirm you what it is. It's the PL5001, PL4701. These both what it is, I will tell you. Just a minute. 5001. See, this one is VCC SA. We are getting VCC SA. Next one PL4701. PL4701. This one is VCC core. Okay, VCC core. And next one is PL4801. PL4801. This one is VCC GT. See, we are not getting VCC GT output. Okay, before that, we'll check the impedance. This processor is good or not. That complete SOC is good or not. By checking the impedance, we come to know this graphic chipset has gone, or let us check. See, now these all coils are, we are getting voltages, right? So need not to check impedance of this. Okay, anyway, for your reference, I will check red is ground and black will check on the coil. Okay, I am checking the impedance. Beep sound I am checking. See, here little bit down, but it's a 5 volts, 100 ohms. But anyway, it has voltage, that's why it's decreasing or increasing the impedance. This also okay. In diode mode I'll check, sorry, in resistor mode. Okay, this much of kilo. Here it's in ohms. See, this 5 ohms, I mean 5 volts is communicating with these areas. That's why little bit down. Okay, next this one also very less. This one good. Here in beep mode I will check, impedance is good. In beep mode 9.8, 4.05 GT, 4.6 core. See, core is good and GT also good. There is no issue with this. So maybe the issue with this IC and these driver ICs. Maybe. Okay. So first, one by one we will do, because we are getting air core and VCCSA. Due to that, we will change only this driver IC and let us check it will give or not. Okay. See, now I have replaced this driver IC. What is that? NCP81382. Okay, it has integrated MOSFETs with the driver IC. This part is there, no? Here it's a core and GT. For this driver IC, these two in this particular motherboard. What is this? Latitude 3580 something. Okay, whatever it may be, I replaced this. Now let me check what indication this light will give. Okay, I checked this connectivity. Before it was giving complete beep, means complete ground, zero impedance. Now I checked 2.2 something is showing, but let me check. Once this one is okay, then here some voltages, that LX voltages, what we call now, that voltage we will get. Okay, now I'm going to give the supply. So just a minute. Safety important, safety first. Took a plastic one, and here also position this will be good. Okay, now I'm giving supply, light glowing, and here there is no light because it's already CMOS injected. CMOS cell is there, that's why. Now power on. What about light? If it is a continuous, definitely that chipset SOC has gone. Let me check. On or not? Yes, on. See, something happened. Some positive replay we got. Because before we were not getting amber light. Only we were getting once we remove the RAM. Now what light we will get? See what the indication we are getting now. 1, 2, 2 amber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 continuation is there. Off. Okay, once again I'm turning it on. See, check the light, count the light. Light not yet come. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2 plus 7, 2 amber and 7 white. What it indicates? Let me check. I'll remove the supply. It's a SOC issue or some other issues. Let me check. Speed on failure amber, 2 amber, 7 white blinking LCD. See here what we are getting. LED pattern of 2 amber and 7 light lights. It indicates LED failure. It means we not connected the LED. I will connect that one also. Okay. Connected. Let me check display will come or not. I'm going to connect the supply. Now turning on. Yes, turned on. What display? Yeah, yes, success. Now the issue was with the driver IC. Okay guys, what he told is correct. He already done the BIOS. Okay, he tried a lot and finally this one was the issue. After replacing this, we got the display. Okay, so this is how we have to do the troubleshooting. So many technicians will do different way in hurry also, or they will take more time. Whatever it may be, the solution should come. Okay, the way of solution should be pakka. That's it. If anyone interested to join our PAVITHRA Laptop Care, please, you are always welcome. Please contact us through WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you very much.